Good morning, dear students. Today in EVS, we are going to study about the clothes the people of India wear. The clothes I wear and the people of India. We are going to study about the clothes, different types of clothes in different seasons. Let us see clothes. Clothes protect our bodies from heat, cold, rain, and dust. Clothes used to protect our bodies from heat, cold, rain, and dust. Clothes are made up of different materials and for different seasons, like summer season, winter season, rainy season. For different seasons, different types of clothes are made. Clothes protect our bodies from heat, cold, rain, and dust, and clothes are made up of different materials and for different seasons. These are different types of cloths. Different types of cloths. Now let us see clothes for summer season. Which types of clothes are mainly used for summer season? Let us see that. We wear cotton clothes in summer because cotton clothes keep us cool. In summer, we may feel too much hot, and because of that, we need dresses which give us cool, which help us to be cool. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Some cotton clothes are frock, t-shirts, cap, shorts, etc. These type of clothes are mainly used in summer season. Frocks, t-shirts, cap, shorts. See, in this figure, you can see many clothes. All these types of clothes are mainly used in summer because in summer we feel too hot, and so we will be able to use only this type of clothes. Now let us study about the clothes for winter season. We wear woolen clothes in winter because woolen clothes keep us warm. In winter, we feel too cold, and so, in order to make our body warm, we need woolen clothes, just like gloves, sweaters, etc. So, we need woolen clothes in winter, cotton clothes in summer. Let us see some woolen clothes, winter clothes. These are some winter clothes because in winter this type of woolen clothes are needed. Otherwise we feel too cold. So to make our body warm we need these types of clothing. Now let us study about clothes for a rainy season. We wear raincoats and gun boots to protect us from rain in rainy season, and we also use an umbrella. During rainy season, we may feel that means our body fully will be water, and so to protect our body, we will use raincoats and gun boots. Otherwise, fully muddy will be there, water will be there. So our body wanted to be protected in rainy season. For that, raincoat and gun boots can be used, plus one umbrella also can be used. Along with that, one umbrella also can be used. See, these are clothes for rainy season. Clothes of rainy season. Now let us see clothes of the people in India. In India, in different parts of India, people are wearing different kinds of clothes. Let us see that. Look into this figure. You can see many people of Kashmir, people of West Bengal, people of Assam, Nagaland, Punjab, Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. In all these areas, people are wearing different dresses, because in different states people are wearing different dresses as per their custom. In different areas different customs are there, different styles are there. That is why these types of dresses are used. Okay, dear children, I think you understood about the clothes we studied today. Okay, read nicely and study well. Thank you.